Social media is a powerful tool, but as a business owner, you might not have the time or know-how to realize its full potential. With social marketing, it's a breeze. By plugging your social accounts into a single dashboard, you can react quickly to customer feedback and post content across all of your main channels. But that's not all. The #1 benefit from social media is to attract new leads. And that's where social marketing gets really exciting. Using geo-targeted keyword searches, you can attract customers who are sharing their experiences and purchase intentions on social media. For example, here's Emma. Say Emma is passing through Seattle. She arrives at her hotel only to find out that they've overbooked, and now she's got nowhere to stay. Emma immediately sends an angry tweet to her 2,000 followers. You're a competing hotel manager, and since you're using social marketing, you detect Emma's tweet and are able to send her a reply within minutes. Emma's thankful for the response and comes to your hotel. She enjoys her stay and goes on to tell her friends how amazing your business is. Social marketing makes finding leads, curating content, and keeping customers happy that easy. Get in touch with us today to see how social media can strengthen your business.